What's up mga kamuging? Let's go! Parang galit na galit sa akin yung mga taga-saboy ng color dito. Fun runs are never fun, but this one's different. Congratulations, F-Harp! Boss James Arconado, welcome home to Bagodon. Galing pa ng Bicol to guys. Jason, Gian, tsaka si Ma'am Sol. Ang pinaka the best na part ng fun run, kainan. Success!